Welcome to the chapter on working with modules and namespaces in TypeScript. In this chapter, we'll explore two powerful features in TypeScript that enable better code organization and scalability. Modules 1. Introduction to modules. Modules in TypeScript are used to divide your code into smaller, manageable pieces, making it easier to maintain and reuse. Think of modules as building blocks that help you structure your codebase more effectively. By using export, you can expose functions, classes, or variables from a module, allowing other parts of your application to access and use them. And with import, you can bring in functionality from other modules to use in your current default exports, while you can export multiple elements from a module. There's a special feature called default exports. A default export is a way to export just one element per module, and it can be imported with any name in the importing module. This can be handy when you want to export a single main function or class from a module. 3. Namespace. Namespaces provide a way to organize related code into a single container. They allow you to group code that logically belongs together under a common name, reducing potential naming conflicts. However, it's essential to be cautious when using namespaces, especially in new projects. For new development, TypeScript's preferred approach is to use modules instead, as they offer better compatibility with modern JavaScript. 4. Ambient declarations. Suppose you are using an external JavaScript library in your TypeScript project. To ensure TypeScript recognizes the library's types correctly, you can use ambient declarations. The ambient declarations allow you to declare the shape of external objects or variables so that TypeScript doesn't raise errors when using them in your code. By leveraging modules and namespaces effectively, you can create a more maintainable and scalable codebase in your TypeScript projects. Remember, modules provide a better way to structure your codebase, while namespaces can be useful for organizing legacy code or when working with older JavaScript libraries. In our next chapter, we'll dive deeper into advanced TypeScript concepts to further enhance your coding skills. Thank you for joining us in this chapter. Stay tuned for more exciting topics on TypeScript in our upcoming sessions.